Welcome to VAR India News Hour. The rise of NFT adoption in India. NFTs are commonly recalled as the non-fungible tokens that are regarded as modern-day collectibles. The digital asset space has expanded to a $2 trillion plus market with over 200 million users interacting with them today. They represent the potential to improve and expand multiple sectors and lead to the creation of new asset classes. In India too, NFTs have garnered attention with conversations around NFTs being on a steady rise and numerous NFT marketplaces being launched on Indian crypto exchanges. The NFT market today has already found its niche in finance, investing, gaming and entertainment industries at large and are steadily growing to penetrate and optimize more such traditional sectors. NFTs are available for purchase and sale online with digital evidence of ownership of any items included. There are several use cases growing among both the industry and consumers in India and globally. NFTs are digital assets that can be used to represent ownership of digital and physical items using blockchain platforms. There are startups that are creating marketplaces. Of course, large exchanges like WazirX are doing it, and there are others who are creating a very intelligent layer on top to create mechanisms for NFTs to interact with things like games. A lot of bigger companies and even organized media players are keenly looking at this space. Even large industrial houses and banks are interested in implementing NFTs. Up until last year, a small fraction of investors saw the actual potential in NFTs, but 2021 led to a complete U-turn as the market opened up to massive NFT pitches with a record $2.5 billion sales globally. As per Google Trends data, in August 2021, global interest for NFT rose by 426%, with people showing a lot of interest in terms of buying NFTs. We feel that this new fad isn't going to end anytime soon. There are growing use cases of NFTs, with Twitter recently announcing NFT profile verification as an upcoming feature. In fact, in the past quarter, there has been a significant increase in NFT pitches, with its adoption at an all-time high in India. Various celebrities, global artists and athletes too are joining in the NFT wagon, with prominent Indian stars like Amitabh Bachchan launching his NFT with BeyondLife.Club, Salman Khan with Bollycoin. There has been news around Southern star Rajinikanth too coming up with his own NFT. I believe there is a massive opportunity in the digital space for early adopters, with NFT gaining humongous popularity and becoming mainstream as the profits can be exceedingly high. Let's look into today's headlines in VAR India. India achieves its first target of 100 crore vaccination milestone. 100 crore jabs achievement is definitely a milestone. With this, it will help place the economy on a high growth path. India's COVID-19 vaccination drive was launched on January 16, 2021. The top 5 states which have administered the highest number of doses are Uttar Pradesh, followed by Maharashtra, West Bengal, Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh. India took 85 days to touch the 10 crore mark. The credit goes to the country's scientists and also the government system that delivered vaccines to the last mile of delivery. In a tweet, Union Health Minister Mansukh Mandavia congratulated the country on achieving the feat and said it was the result of the able leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Akamai Technologies completes acquisition of Guardicore. Akamai Technologies is going to power and protect digital experiences and announced the company has completed its acquisition of Guardicore of Tel Aviv, Israel. The acquisition value is close to a $600 million deal. Post-acquisition, Guardicore's leading microsegmentation products will be added to Akamai's comprehensive portfolio of zero-trust solutions to protect enterprises from damage caused by breaches like ransomware, while safeguarding the critical assets at the core of the network. Personal data of smartphone users is at risk. The personal data can be pulled from a person's phone because of a security issue in widely used consumer-grade spyware. A smartphone spyware has put personal data of hundreds of thousands of users at risk, like call recordings, text messages, photos, browsing history and precise geolocations. There were several spywares available and it made it easier for bad actors to access the insecure data. Sources said that efforts were on to contact the spyware developer because the security and privacy of thousands of people are at risk until the issue is fixed. NPCI launches NTS platform for tokenization RuPay cards. National Payments Corporation of India announced the launch of the NPCI tokenization system. With this, it will support tokenization of cards as an alternative to storing card details with merchants. The NPCI tokenization system will support the tokenization of RuPay cards to further enhance the safety of customers and provide a seamless shopping experience. NPCI's token reference on file service will help millions of RuPay card holders maintain the security of their financial data. Experts say the card details of cardholders will be completely safe and secure at the RuPay Network Secure Vault. The US watchdog has cornered top tech companies from using the payment data. The US watchdog Consumer Financial Protection Bureau has cornered 6 tech companies including Amazon, Apple, Facebook, Google, PayPal and Square to hand over information on their payment system plans so that it can see how they gather and use payment data of the customers. It further says it may also target Chinese players such as Alipay and WeChat Pay. The CFPB says it also presents risk to consumers and to a fair, transparent and competitive marketplace. The orders demand information on data harvesting and monetization, whether firms employ restrictive access policies, and what the companies are doing to ensure consumers are protected. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to VAR India News Magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for the latest news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.